Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how we can convert STL file to SolidWorks part then to STP file. Uh, First thing, I will export this bone to STL file using Mesh Mixer, and I will give it a name and save it. Okay. After that, we will go to SolidWorks and open this STL file. I will choose here STL OBJ. Okay, and I will go to option. As you can see, we have here three different options. We have solid body, we have surface body or gas body. So we will choose solid body and OK, and we go to the part and open it. Okay, so this is our SolidWorks part. I will try now modify this SolidWorks part. I will create a plan and I will try just cut it out, okay, and so extrude cut, and we try to cut a part from this bone. Okay, so as you can see, as you can notice, we have been able to modify this part. The next step is convert this SolidWorks part to STEP file. So I will go to file, save as, and I will save it as STEP file. So we can here shows STEP file or EGS file, XT file, whatever you need. So I will choose STP file and save it. Okay, export. This is the video.